All right, now that you know how to launch the Google Drawing app, first you will click up here where it says Untitled Drawing, click after the G to highlight, hit your backspace key and title it Captions for this activity. So you'll want to title it whatever kind of activity that you're doing. So since we're working on captions for this activity, then we want to title it Captions. So I'm going to teach you how to use the tools of the drawing app. You click down here on your paper to get started, and the first thing that we want to do is use the scribble tool. So see this line right here? If you click this arrow down, and all the way down at the bottom it says scribble. That's going to allow you to draw in any way that you want. So I might try to draw a picture of my daughter and I playing outside on Saturday with our dogs. So let's see, here's the sun. You have to click and hold down to use the scribble tool. And that's my daughter in the background that you hear. So you will click, hold down to draw, just like you do when you move your fridge magnets or coins on the app on your Chromebook. So here's me, here's my daughter, and the dogs. And you can put faces, click, hold down, make sure you're holding down as you click. And the reason that we're doing this activity is to add captions. So I'm going to teach you how to use a text box. So if you come up here at the top, you see this box that has a T in it. It says text box, so click on it. Now for this, you can put your caption anywhere, but most of the time captions are at the bottom. So I'm going to choose to put mine right down here at our feet. You have to click, hold down, and drag to make a caption box. Once you've made the box as big as you would want it to add your captions, captions are normally at the bottom, and the words are inside a box. Captions tell about the picture that you see. So once you've made your box as big as you would like it, click, hold down, and then let go. And I'm going to type a sentence that tells about my picture. Peyton and I playing outside with our dogs. And that's not the last thing you do. Once you type your sentence, it's still highlighted in blue. There's a blue outline. You have to make sure to add the box around it. So to do that, see these lines up here? It says line weight. You're going to click the arrow down, and you're going to click one of the numbers to make a box around your words. Because if you see, if I click outside, it doesn't have a box, but captions normally have a box around it. So I want to click back on top of my words, come up here to where you see the lines, click the arrow down and click one of these numbers to make a box around your words. And now I have my caption. So I have my picture, but I also have my text box, which remember you go right here, click down and hold to draw your text box. And now I have my words that tell about my pictures, and that's what captions are for. Go ahead and get started. If you get confused and can't remember how to do something, come back to the video and watch.